So, you're a soldier. Fighting for whom?
With the 132nd under Perry, from 21 to 27.
That's the year 2027.
That's right. And I was assigned to
This is fucking great.
the last 2 years under John Connor.
Who was the enemy again?
A computer defense system built for...
Sorry.
Built for SAC NORAD by Cyberdyne Systems.
I see. And this computer thinks it can win by killing the mother of its enemy. Killing him, in effect, before he's even conceived. A sort of retroactive abortion?
That guy Silverman cracks me up. Last week he had this guy in there that burned his Afghan. He screwed it first, then he set it
Hey,
off.
shut up. Why didn't the computer just kill Connor then? Why this elaborate scheme with the Terminator?
It had no choice. Their defense grid was smashed. We'd won. Taking out Connor then would make no difference. Skynet had to wipe out his entire existence.
Is that when you captured the lab complex and found that, what is it called? The time displacement equipment?
That's right. The Terminator had already gone through. Connor sent me to intercept, and they blew the whole place.
Well, how are you supposed to get back?
I can't. Nobody goes home. Nobody else comes through. It's just him and me.